Hi everyone, welcome to Let's Get Employment. JoshTalks is hiring for finance scriptwriter Josh Money. Job location is Gurgaon, Haryana. Let us get to know about the job. Role is finance scriptwriter Josh Money. Location is Gurgaon and CTC is 30 to 35k per month. Now let us discuss about the JoshTalks first. Josh is on a mission to unlock human potential by creating tools that effectively nurture each individual's potential. We started out in 2015, giving Bharat's youth access to relatable role models in regional languages through the JoshTalks platform. As the next step, we expanded to provide affordable, employability-enhancing skills through our Android application, Josh Skills. Our flagship offering, the Spoken English course, has generated strong user feedback with industry-leading course completion rates, unlocking employment opportunities for our users. Now let us check the key responsibilities. Research financial topics and trends to gather information and insights for script for our YouTube channel. The script should be written with the consideration of video as the final output. Write clear and engaging script content that is easy for audiences to comprehend in Tier 2 and Tier 3. Edit and proofread script content to ensure accuracy and clarity for our YouTube platform. Work with producers and directors to ensure that the final script meets the needs of viewers. Staying up to date on industry trends and changes in financial regulations to ensure that script content is accurate and current. Meeting deadlines for script delivery and continuously in touch with anchor, other writers and editors. Collaborate with other writers, researchers and production staff to create high quality financial media content. Maintain records, work reports and documentation of work completed. Now the requirements are writing experience preferably in the finance sector, exceptional written and verbal communication in Hindi, well versed in a wide range of financial products, and accustomed to describing financial markets, products and economic activity in clear, simplified and direct manner. Ability to tweak the tone and message as per the audiences across the strata. Resourceful with the ability to thrive in a fast-moving working environment. Results-driven, go-getter, highly collaborative. If you are eligible for this job role, you can apply by clicking on this apply button. After that, this Google form will open. Here you have to fill your basic details, email, name, contact number, email ID, total experience, current CTC, expected CTC, then your resume, and one more thing you have to upload. You have to upload your writing samples also. After that, you have to click on this submit button and submit this application. You can find the link in the description and apply for this job role. All the best, and if video helpful लगी हो तो वीडियो को लाइक कीजिए, share it with your friends, and for more latest job updates, चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिए. Thanks for watching this video.